Welcome to Sicily, Italy. Today, we're embarking on a Godfather tour visiting iconic locations from the legendary film series. We'll start our journey in Forza Dagro and then head to Savoca. Let's begin with a ride along the coast and a climb up the mountains. The Godfather films, directed by Francis Ford Coppola, were shot in various locations across Sicily, capturing the region's stunning beauty and historic charm. Our first stop is the charming village of Forza Dagro. Forza Dagro was featured in several scenes from the Godfather trilogy. This picturesque village offers a glimpse into traditional Sicilian life, unchanged for centuries. The historic buildings and stunning views make it a perfect backdrop for the film's scenes.
Of a chair, a balcony in chocolate. It's fantastic. It's very particular. So in Sicily you find a lot of church and convent. In the convent were built close to the church because when monks die, we put the monk inside the church in the crypta, so under the church. The convent comes from the 15th century, so in the 15th century we have the Renaissance period. So 15 is the Renaissance period. So inside you find a church full of marble. The different chapel are in fact in colored marble, and also the center. Very much from Asia, Africa. So sometimes we take the marble from another continent and we produce take the rocks and then we make the different parts. For example, from Messina to the opposite part, so Palermo,
Santisima Nzi is a stunning example of Sicilian Baroque architecture. Its facade features intricate carvings and statues, making it a true work of art. This church appears in several scenes from the Godfather trilogy, where it serves as a backdrop to the story's unfolding drama.
Go to that place last time we went to London.
Now we are at our next destination, Savoca, another iconic Godfather filming location. Here we are at Bar Vitelli, one of the most famous locations from the Godfather. This is where Michael Corleone asks Apollonia's father for her hand in marriage. Bar Vitelli still retains its rustic charm with memorabilia and photographs from the film. It's like stepping back in time to the 1940s when the movie is set.
If you need a restroom, there is a restroom inside. You just take this lemon, you take the lemon, you stay in it together. Possiamo? Posso? Yes.
Next, we'll head to the church of San Nicolo, where Michael and Apollonia's wedding took place. This beautiful church, perched high on the hill, is where one of the most memorable scenes from The Godfather was filmed. The architecture and setting make it a perfect backdrop for the film's romantic moments. Inside, the church is simple yet elegant, with an atmosphere that reflects the timeless traditions of Sicily. You can almost hear the wedding bells and see the joyous celebration. As we leave the church, familiar tunes play from the tower. Just a short walk away from the San Nicolo is another stunning church called Chiesa San Michele. Chiesa San Michele is smaller than San Nicolo, but its beautiful facade and serene setting make it a must-visit. Savoca is filled with charming spots that evoke the spirit of The Godfather. From cobblestone streets to historic buildings, it's a place where the past feels very much alive. Thank you for joining me on this Godfather tour in Sicily. Exploring these iconic locations gives us a deeper appreciation for the film and the beautiful setting that brought its story to life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.